Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add line numbering in Google Docs. So open Google Docs. Now here to insert the line numbering, click on this Insert tab. So now here click on Tools and here select Line Numbers. Now here check this box, Show Line Numbers. And there are some options like Continue throughout document. Then select the second option, Restart on each page. Section. Also you can apply this setting entire. Remove line numbers, unselect and delete. So this is the way you can insert line numbering in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.